Here's everything you need to know about the X-Boom speaker. On the back you'll find the power button and 4 LED lights indicating battery life in 25% increments. Tribit's OnePress 4.2 Bluetooth connectivity provides a completely wireless connection up to 66 feet away. For added bass, try the X Bass feature. This kicks on the full power of the dual passive radiators, providing 360-degree music for up to 20 hours. On the other side lies the media controls to increase or decrease volume. Press the MFB button once to play and pause music, twice to skip, and 3 times to rewind. The X-Boom is built with a highly sensitive microphone, providing loud and clear sound for both parties. And calls can be answered or rejected with a quick or long press. Tribit comes with a micro USB for a full recharge in 4 hours. It's also fully waterproof, can be daisy-chained with other Tribit speakers, and has an auxiliary port for a connection to a TV or computer.